How can you add value from variable data printing? Variable data printing gives the label converter a real point of difference from its competition and a real added value offering for its brand customers. With the latest generation Domino N610i digital label colour press with the ESCO industry standard DFE2, we can now print variable data, anything from numbers to barcodes, 2D codes including the QR code, all the way through to photographs, games and colour images. Every label can be completely different. The Domino N610i inkjet label press is your solution, but don't just take our word for it. Hear what our customers have to say.